Hi there, welcome to Kapow Maths, and this is a Kapow Maths tutor for this one. And what we're going to be looking at is fractions of a shape. Let's do it. Boom! Today's maths is being able to understand fractions of a shape. So let's do it. Here we have some shapes. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So we need to find out first the whole numbers. So here we have one whole, whereas the other shapes we don't. We have one yellow, so that goes where our numerator goes on top there, so it becomes 1. And how many do we have altogether? 1, 2. Okay, so we've now put that in our denominator, which goes there. So altogether we've got 1 whole and 1 half. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So we've got one here and a second one here. How many wholes have we got? Excellent. So far we have 1 whole. And how much do we have in the mixed part? 1, 2, 3. Where does that go? Yes, you're correct. That goes in the numerator. So we put that on top 3. And how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 1 whole and 3/4. Excellent. What you can do between each question, you can pause it and try to answer it before I do, and then see if you get it correct. Let's have a look at the next shape. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So here we go. Let's have a look. We have, you've guessed it, 1 whole. Now we've only got 1 here which is shaded in, so we're going to put that in our numerator. And how many do we have altogether? 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 whole and 1/3. Excellent. Let's have a look at the next one. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So here we have, yes, you've guessed it, we've got 1 whole, so that becomes 1. How many green are in the other one? This is not a complete whole one, so let's go. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 there, so that's going to go in our numerator. But how many do we have all together? We've got 4, 5, yes. So now that becomes 1 whole and 3/5. Excellent. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So you can pause it now if you want, and then see if you get it correct. Let's have a look. So yes, we've got 1 whole complete one here. Now the other one, it's not fully complete, so let's count how many are red. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1 and 4 goes in our numerator, which are on top, and we have 5, 6. So that's 1 and 4/6. Okay, excellent. Let's go to the next one. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So you can pause it again, try to answer it yourself. I'm going to go through it step by step carefully. Again, workings out. So let's count how many holes. 1 whole, 2 holes. We have 2 holes, and how many are shaded in here? We've got 1. So that goes 1, and we've got 2, 3 all together in that. So that's 2 and 1/3. Okay, excellent. Let's go to the next one. What is the mixed fraction for this diagram? So we need to count how many holes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have here 3 holes, and how many in the other? So we've got 1, 2, which are blue. So we're going to put that in our numerator, which is here. And how many altogether? 2, 3, 4. So that is 3 2/4, or you could say 3 1/2, which is the same. Let's try and do this one. So there's quite a few more. So let's find how many holes. You can pause it, try to answer it, and then do it. Let's go. So we got 1, 2. So yes, we've got 2 holes, and now this one we need to count how many are purple. Go. So we've got 1, 2. So we've got 2 whole and 2, and how many altogether? 3, 4 in that one. So that's 2 and 2/4. 2 holes and 2/4. And that is how to be able to understand fractions of shape. If you are still not sure, please ask questions and I will do other videos if you want. Thank you for watching Kapow Maths.